I'm Alex Davidson and I'm the Product Assurance Group Leader at RAL Space. My role is to be the customer's representative on site. I ensure that RAL Space does everything that we've contractually said we're going to do, and I liaise with the customer to work through any issues that we have, any problems, and making sure that we complete everything we're expected to complete, and that what we do will actually work when it's delivered to the customer, or if it's going into space, will actually work whilst it's in space. So I came from a very different background. I studied ancient history at university, and I found I had some transferable skills that I could take from my degree into the space industry. One of those is research skills. The ability to go away and find out lots of information about a very niche subject and relay that back to people that haven't necessarily done that research. I took on a graduate product assurance role at another company in the space industry, and I was there for 2.5 years before transferring to RAL, where I've been since September 2020. My job allows the customer to feel confident in what we're delivering, because there are so many components to a satellite, it would be impossible for any one person or even any one company to ensure that everything that went up was perfect. So they rely on people in other companies who are delivering to them to make sure that everything is up to standard. I think that product assurance is the only job that has full overview of a mission or an instrument. We get to see what the engineers do, down to the detailed mathematics and engineering, all the way through to the scheduling that the project managers do, and how we actually buy the items that come into being our instrument or larger. I absolutely love driving companies forward and taking them to the cutting edge of where they can be in their industry. RAL Space has given me lots of opportunity to develop their internal processes and how they operate to make sure that we continue to drive forward and become a really key player in the European space industry and wider. There's a job for everybody in the space industry. If you're a very practical person, there's some fantastic jobs in physically putting together the space instrumentation. If you're great with people, you could go into sales or procurement, and those skill sets are really valuable in those job roles. The best thing to do is go away and do your own research on where your skill set is and what jobs are available with it, and you'll definitely find something. Go for it. I was incredibly nervous about joining the space industry, and I thought that my background and my skill set wouldn't be able to fit. I was lucky in that the first job I had in the space industry was the right job for me. But if I hadn't have found that, I think I would have been able to find another job that would have suited my skill set. I really think there is a job for everyone.